Hi, I'm Dominic. I'm the General Manager of this facility. Welcome to GE Repair Solutions, Singapore. We serve the power generation customers, repairing gas turbine components. Come on in, let me show you. This is our turbine blade repair cell. In the last 2 years, we are focused on lean transformation, working on improving the work environment, improving the product quality, and on-time delivery for our customers. When your part arrives in our shop, we will do thorough inspection. Here is the fluorescent penetrant inspection moonshine booth. In a lean line, it is important that we can detect the issues for our customers and ensure we reduce cycle time for on-time delivery. Have a look at the flow of each station. Before we finish the repair, we do a 3-dimensional inspection, taking points and data, short pin, final inspection, and finally moment weigh before we pack and ship back to you, focusing on the quality and on-time delivery. Let us go to the other side of our plant. We have several heat treatment furnaces like this, incoming heat treatment and final heat treatment to ensure the integrity of your parts. Let me show you the heart of our repair. Come. Thermal barrier coating extends the life of your part. This is where we do our thermal barrier coating. Quality is very important to our customer. In this service center, we have our own in-house metallurgical lab. Come, let's have a look. In this lab, we have the capability to do hardness testing, tensile testing, and the microscopic tests. Welcome to the first HA Repair Development Center outside of US. Come on, let's take a look inside. This center is run by a group of repair process experts focusing on developing the repair technology for the advanced machining, laser cladding, the inspection technologies, This facility also repairs the aeroderivative components. Let me show you what we do in this facility. Here you see a combustor line. We repair aeroderivative combustors. We are one of the 4 repair centers in the world that can repair heavy-duty rotors. Back there, you see a stacking pit where we disassemble and assemble our rotors vertically. We have 100-ton balancing capability, heavy-duty lifting capability.